In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your first $1,000 online. So if you have been struggling on how to make money online, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to be showing you the steps that you need to follow from first step to the last step that you need to follow to be able to make your first $1,000 online. So all what you need to do is that you need to watch this video from beginning to the end and practice what I've said in this video, and you're going to see this $1,000 within some days or months or years. It depends on how your effort is. So all what you need to do is watch it from beginning to the end. And as you're watching, make sure you like this video. Very important, make sure you like it. And if possible, if you watch it to some part and it helps you, just comment thank you in the comment section. So first of all, if you want to make your first $1,000 online, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to look for something that you already know about and do research about it. Let's say you are good in video editing, you are having a specific talent. Let's say you are a professor and you are teaching a particular subject. It just depends on the talent that you are having. If you are having a talent, just go ahead and do research about it. Choose one platform. If it is YouTube, if it is Facebook, if it is Instagram, if it is Twitter, TikTok, any of these platforms, just choose one. And when you choose one, what you need to do is that do research about those areas to see what people are posting about this field and replicate that kind of process. Just replicate that kind of process. And all these social media platforms that I've just mentioned, you can monetize your skills there. And more to the point, you can also sell, make sure you package your thing. You can package your knowledge in a form of course or ebook and sell it to your audience. So I know this one may sound too complicated, but trust me, it is not difficult when you practice this thing day in and day out. And I know this one, many people, the lazy people, many of them will not do it. But if you practice this, you're going to make your first $1,000 online. And put in mind that you don't need to create one video today. Let's say you have chosen YouTube for instance, and you created a video today. It doesn't mean that after you create this video, you don't need to create video again. Make sure that you create video. If you can do every day, make sure you create video every day. And after you have done that, every day you create video, talk about your skill. Show people what you are doing, show them the skill that you are having, or tell them what they need when they want to acquire that skill. And if you are having a course, you can now promote it in that videos. If you also choose Facebook, just do the same thing. If you choose to write a blog post, do the same thing and promote your product there, or promote your course or ebook there. And you can also do one-on-one coaching on that platform. So you can also do one-on-one coaching, which is also lucrative as well, because even doing one-on-one coaching is going to cost more. So you can charge any amount that you want for that, and you're going to make a lot of money, even more than $1,000 online. I know this one, it's not ever going to come within a month. Don't expect it to come within a month. But if you continue to do and you don't give up, and every day you are motivated to post videos day in and day out, you are guaranteed to make your first $1,000 online, because people are going to see your content, and some people are going to fall in love with it, and they are going to subscribe. If it is on YouTube, they are going to subscribe to your channel and follow you along, and you give them more content. And later on, many are going to buy your course or ebook or pay for one-on-one coaching, and you're going to make that money there. If it is also a subscription based, they are going to pay for it. And that's the best way you can make your first $1,000 online. And more to the point, I know many people, they'll just start today and they want to see results tomorrow. It doesn't happen that way on social media. Look for those who are having millions and millions of followers on social media. They start it about 10 years, 9 years, 7 years. If you are not lucky, like those who are lucky, they got it at about 2 years or so, they are able to get about million followers in 2 years or 1 year. But if you are like you are the type who grows slowly, just take about 7 to 10 years that you get a good results from your content. And put in mind that when you are able to achieve that, it is never going to limit you. You are going to like get more money, get more connections, and this way you can even get gifts and other things from people that you never know face to face. And the online space is unlimited. When it comes to when you are having a skill and you're offering, it is unlimited. You can do like you can make any amount that you want without even somebody putting a mark on your salary. Nobody can say, oh, this month you need to get this amount. You determine the amount of money that you can make on that platforms, and it all depends on the amount of content that you post out there. So guys, these are the best ways that you can use to make your first $1,000 online. And above that, and more to the point, you can do affiliate marketing on that particular videos that you are creating. You can do drop shipping, and you can do a lot of things on that. So when it comes to like creating content, the number one key way is being able to monetize it. And I know it is few people that create content for fun, but the rest create it for monetization. And make sure when you do that, make sure you find a way of monetizing it, and you're going to make your first $1,000 easily. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, I want you to comment thank you in the comment section, and I'll be there to also thank you for watching the video. And I'll be checking some of you to see if you are following the same steps to create your content. Also, if you have choose YouTube, that one I can see you. I can click on your profile to check out either you have also started your YouTube channel or so, and see the content that you are creating. So make sure you comment in the comment section. And when you comment in the comment section, don't forget that many people are going to also join you. They are going to click on your profile and check out the content that you are posting. And if they fall in love, they are going to subscribe to your channel as well. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video helped you and you want to be seeing content like this from me, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. Very important. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.